Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 18th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. Because on the 4-hour time frame, price does seem to be trying to respect the 78%. We also got a little bit of a lower high compared to the last high. Now, the trend is for sure still up on the 4-hour daily and up. So we do have to be aware that it could continue up at any point. But because of this lower high right here, I would kind of expect this to be like a wave A, wave B, and maybe go down for a wave C. Maybe grab some of this lower liquidity down in this area, or maybe even down in this area before we actually make another pump to the upside. But like I said, we do have to keep in mind that the trend is for sure still up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, not much of a pullback yet, but definitely throw your Fibonacci retracement on there if it does start to make a pullback. Keep an eye on your fib levels. Look for those three-way pullbacks. Look for impulsive engulfing moves to the downside at your fib levels for possibly continuation down. If it really is a wave C, I would expect this 100% area to be the most likely target, right around 1.1615 area. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.